Everybody, I'm Nick McClung.
And I am Nakisha Phipps. We are from Mississippi Delta Community College. We want to first start by thanking you guys for considering us to continue your education. And we're going to walk you through how to complete our application process.
Okay, so for the first step and the easiest way is to just put MDCC in your search engine. The first hit that comes up is our webpage, www.msdelta.edu. And from here in the top area, you would select apply. Once you select apply, you will come to the admissions login. But for most incoming freshmen or first year students, they won't have an account. So we want you to choose first time user account creation.
Here you have to create a login ID and a PIN. Your login ID can be no longer than 9 letters and numbers combined. Your PIN should have at least 6 letters and numbers. It can be up to 15 letters and numbers. Be sure to record your ID and your PIN number on paper or in your phone for later use before you click login.
The next step, you'll be telling us what type of student you are. If you are a senior who has or is about to graduate, or if you have taken the GED, you will select option 1.
Even though you may have taken some courses through dual enrollment, you should still choose this option if MDCC will be the first college you attend after high school graduation or high school equivalency.
If you are transferring from another school or have been to a college prior to us, you would select option 2.
This will be the transfer option. But once again, if your dual enrollment school was your only college attendance, do not select this option.
If MDCC was the last school you attended and you have not attended school anywhere else for 1 or more semesters, choose option 3.
Do not select this option if you only attended MDCC through dual enrollment.
If you are currently in high school and enrolling in MDCC through dual enrollment, then this last option is for you. Choose the application type that applies to you and click continue. From here, the first step is admission term because the option that you choose notifies us when you plan on attending.
Be careful here because if you choose a term and then you decide you'd like to come during a different term than the one that you originally marked, you're going to have to revisit this application and redo it.
Next, you will fill out the name section and then click fill out application.
Be careful not to enter nicknames here. Please enter your full name as it appears on your birth certificate.
This will bring you to the application checklist where you will start with the name section. Once you've completed this information, click continue and begin to fill out information for student mailing address and phone number.
When you're completing this section, remember that your mailing address is where you actually receive mail. It may be a P.O. box or mailbox at your physical address. You also want to enter your phone number here if you have one. If not, you may enter your parent or guardian's number.
This section is the student physical address or phone. If it is same as the previous, you must fill it out again, then select continue. Next, you have to fill in student information where you tell us about your citizenship, give us your email address, cell phone number, and social security number. You also must answer a few other questions.
Please note that no field can be left blank here. If the question cannot be answered or it does not apply to you, make sure you enter NA. Once you're done, click continue.
All right, the next item on our checklist is the planned course of study. This is where you will tell us what major you plan on choosing, what campus you want to attend, and if you want to do either virtual or face-to-face classes.
Please make note that if you're interested in majors such as nursing, dental hygiene, or another one of our health science programs here at MDCC, you're going to select pre-allied health for now. Once you have met requirements of these programs and you're ready to apply to them, you can visit our website for the actual health science program application. Also, pre-health professions would be those students who are interested in transferring to a four-year college or university and eventually enrolling into a professional school afterwards for pharmacy, medical, physical therapy, or something else related.
Next, click continue. You will fill out our parent, guardian, or emergency contact information. You will tell us their relationship with you, give us their address and their telephone number.
Remember to leave no spaces blank here and then proceed.
Now, this is the part of the application where most students may have trouble because most students won't know their high school code. The easiest way to do it is to select the link that says look up high school code. From here, you will select a state or province. Then click on the link that says list cities and select the state, province, or country. Select the city that your school is located in. Then click the button that says list high schools and select the city. Now from the drop-down box, choose your school. And from here, you should click the button that says copy selected high school information to data entry form. And this allows all the information that you need to be automatically posted to the next page. Once on this page, you should scroll down and let us know if you've taken the GED or not. If you haven't, please select no and then enter NA, then hit enter, then hit continue.
Now this page is only for dual enrollment students. So you only fill it out if you've completed dual enrollment courses through a 2-year or 4-year college. If you have done dual enrollment, you follow the exact same steps as you did with searching your high school code. If not, click continue. The last 2 steps include you reading our agreement and signing by initial and birthday if you agree. If there's a section that does not have a check mark, you will need to click on that section and complete any missing information. If all sections are complete, click the application is complete button to proceed. This last page is a contract with us, agreeing that you will pay for charges that are not covered by your financial aid. After reading it, select to agree to the terms and submit the application. Great job. Now you are all set and will receive an email that will inform you on the items you must turn in to be fully admitted and enrolled into MDCC.
We look forward to seeing you soon.
Go Trojans!